Assalamu'alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Hello everyone! Have you ever heard of a bird that's half dinosaur, half superhero? Let me introduce you to the Maleo bird, a unique creature found only on the island of Sulawesi, Indonesia. With its striking black and white feathers, a bold helmet-like crest, and bright orange eyes, the Maleo looks like it flew straight out of a storybook. But here's the coolest part. Maleo chicks are born ready for action. Their parents bury their eggs in warm volcanic sand, and when the chicks hatch, they dig their way out, flap their tiny wings, and run into the forest, all on their own. But sadly, this incredible bird is in danger. Why? First, their homes are disappearing. Forests are cut down for farms and buildings. Second, people often steal their eggs for food, even though it is illegal. And third, predators like wild pigs and monitor lizards eat their eggs. Because of this, the Maleo is now critically endangered. There are only a few thousand left in the wild. But there's hope. Conservationists and local communities are working hard to protect Maleo nests, create safe reserves, and teach people why this bird matters. The Maleo isn't just a bird, it's a symbol of Sulawesi's wild beauty and a key part of the ecosystem. So, what can we do? Even if you're far from Sulawesi, you can help. Learn about endangered animals, share their stories, and support wildlife protection. So remember, every creature, big or small, has a role in our world. Let's promise to be guardians of nature, starting with the amazing Maleo. Thank you, and let's make sure future generations can marvel at this living dinosaur too. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.